In a healthy relationship, missing each other is one key to a long-lasting and loving relationship. The longing and passion that you feel inside make you want for more. Naturally, we humans like to spend our time with people who we love and make us happy. The more we spend quality time together, the more we are addicted to them being at our side. So, when we are apart, our body and heart crave that feeling. Do you feel that your man appreciates you and your effort much lesser now? Or do you feel he is not in love with you anymore as he used to be? If you are getting that kind of a feeling from your man, don't worry, as I will be telling you 7 practical ways which upon implementation will increase his yearning for you and he will start giving you much more attention. How would you feel about that? So, stick to this video till the end and I can assure you that you will learn some really good ways to strengthen your relationship with him. Before I begin with these actionable steps, do you want to learn how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to earn your love and eventually make him obsessed with you? Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. You see, not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time from the first link in the description below. So, with that aside, let's begin with those 7 actionable steps. Number 1. Stop trying to fix problems. Yes, this may surprise you and you may start to hate me, but please try this for once. I know that upon observing that your man doesn't make those kind of efforts and dinner plans anymore that he used to, it's natural to start getting worried and anxious. So you start thinking if he still loves you and wants you. You start paying extra attention to this fact and you eventually ask him what's wrong. And most probably, he will say that everything's okay and he is just busy nowadays, or maybe that you are worrying too much about him. But just like majority of girls, you start thinking more about that and start paying extra attention to what he does, where he goes and whom he spends his time with. And you get a lot of red flags or examples which proves you that maybe he doesn't love you like he used to. Now obviously, if you start observing that your boyfriend or husband is no longer into you, that's a pretty scary position to be in, and you may get even more anxious about his whole situation. So you will start searching for solutions to fix these problems and prevent him from slipping away. You would ask him again and again on what's wrong, or you would make efforts to spend more time with him. But you know what? All these things will further push him away. The harder you try to fix this problem, the farther he gets pushed away from you. So, step 1 is to stop trying to fix problems and getting reassurances from him. I know it's pretty hard thing to do, but you need to stop this if you don't want to make things worse. If you implement the steps I am going to tell you in this video, he would be the one to miss you and he would come up with all these questions. I repeat this. Don't let him know that you are upset of the fact that he is not giving you the attention he used to. Please trust the process and I promise within some days or weeks, you will observe a positive change. Number 2. Move slower than he wants. I know where you went wrong. You didn't take control of the pace of the relationship. You didn't let him miss you. You gave all of yourself to him right from the start and then there was nothing to miss. A lot of women assume that just because a girl really wants to keep seeing her, they should let him and she should be always available for him. However, my advice is to put the brakes on. Let him have space. Let him yearn for you a little, because that space is going to allow you to get to know each other slowly, which ultimately is better for the foundation of a solid and committed relationship. I have seen it happen far too often. Couples spend every waking moment together from the start. Then things fizzle within weeks and nobody knows what happened. I know what happened. They took things too fast and suddenly the entire relationship just burns up into flames. On the other hand, controlling the speed of how things happen is completely in your hands, and it absolutely is one of the secrets to how to make him miss you. Maybe the first few weeks you decide you will only see him on weekends and never stay the night. Over time, you might have a sleepover every few weeks. This can increase as you get closer, but always be prepared to have time off from one another or go home after a date rather than crashing at his house. Kelly Johnson, a clinical sexologist based in North Carolina, says to have the conversation about the speed of your relationship early. Talking about your boundaries early on and making sure your partner is on the same page and has an understanding of who you are is so important. Setting boundaries early keeps you from hurting his feelings later when you want some space in the relationship. But you will both benefit from it. He will miss you, I guarantee. Number 3. Stop initiating text or phone calls. When you love someone, it's hard to control yourself from not texting or calling him as you want to feel connected to him all the time. But if you want him to miss you, you have to maintain a distance for him to miss you. Now, let me be very clear. I am not telling you to ignore him or not to talk to him completely. I just don't want you to be the one who is always looking to reach out to him. Don't start the day by sending him morning messages or calls. Instead, let him initiate and reach out to you. I can guarantee you that if he genuinely loves you, he will start wondering and thinking that things were better when he spent time around you and made efforts for you. He will definitely initiate the conversation pretty quickly. Let your silence and patience be your weapon. Number 4. Wait a little before replying. I know and I can understand that you have been missing him, and the moment he texts you, you want to reply back and get the conversation going. But I want you to keep him waiting for a while. Take some time before responding to his texts and get yourself busy with something else. This sends him a pretty strong message that his girl doesn't miss him much and she is not always available. She has got other priorities as well. Be patient and take some time before getting back to him. I can assure you that by doing so, his yearning for you will increase manifold. He will eventually start missing you and will start putting in more efforts for the relationship with you. And another very important thing, do not talk anything about his decrease in efforts or decrease in his love anytime during this whole process. I know it is very hard for you to control and it may even show up on your face, but you got to trust this process. Timing of this talk has to be perfect. Before I move on to the further steps, I want to know if you implemented any of these methods before, and if yes, how did they work out for you? Please comment down below and let me know. If you haven't tried any of these methods, let me know in the comments if you would implement these and what was your experience with it. Number 5. Say no to his last minute dates and plans. I know you would be hating me for this. You may feel that going out with him and pleasing him will make him fall in love with you again, but just wait. You don't wanna be always available for him. Especially if he makes last minute plans, you should clearly say no as you have other plans or work lined up. This again sends a strong message to him that you cannot sabotage your other plans or your work for him, and he will have to be more special or make more efforts to impress you to go out with him. I am not saying to never go out with him, but you can at least deny him for the last minute plans, right? Number 6. Go out and enjoy with your other friends. You should start enjoying your social life outside of him. Go out with your other friends and have fun. This will help you get your mind off him and will definitely bring in a positive change in your life as well. If you haven't got many friends aside from him, I would recommend taking up a new hobby or start hitting the gym or take up a membership for something else. You really need to go out and interact with other people if not your friends. This makes him respect your independence and shows him that you are not a girl who is always around the phone, always waiting for his messages and calls. Let me tell you a secret that one of the biggest things that attract men towards women is independence of a woman. You want him to observe that your life doesn't just revolve around him, and if he wants to be a part of your life, he needs to be worthy of it by making some efforts and showing his affection for you. Make sure you are keeping up to the social life you had prior to meeting up with him. Make plans with your girlfriends and keep yourself busy. And yeah, use social media to show him that you are enjoying your life without him. This will make him attracted to you as he will realize that you have an independent, full and fun life. Again, I don't want you to be fake or post exaggerated photos. Just be yourself and enjoy your meets by posting its pictures on social media. Number 7. Make him fear losing you. Ask this question to yourself. Why would your man fear losing you as his girlfriend? If you have any answers to this question, that's great. If your man doesn't fear the thought of losing you, he may not love you as strongly as you do. I am not telling you to leave him or threaten him that you may leave. I just want him to be worried of the thought that you may leave him. If he is not worried of this thought, he will never appreciate, value or love you the way he should. Before any commitments are made in a relationship, both partners are actively working to gain the love and trust of each other. This is because of the human behavior that when we like someone, we show them that we like them or we make an effort to prove that. This is also done because of the fear that the girl may not trust or love him the same way. But gradually in a relationship, this fear in boys decreases as the relationship and trust gets stronger. And this is why the motivation to make an effort to show that he still loves you the same way decreases as well. He no longer feels the need to try so hard anymore. I hope you can now connect the dots together. If he has no fear of ever losing you, he knows he doesn't have to be at the top of his game and you will keep suffering like you do now. You will still be wondering why he is losing interest in you. It is because of this lack of fear of losing you that he starts taking you for granted. This is the time when you need to gently remind him of your value in his life. I don't advise you to indulge in any manipulative games, but just follow the steps and tips I shared in this video and his fear of losing you will definitely increase. Please subscribe to my channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. And yeah, if you want your guy to be obsessed with you over and over and you want to learn how you can be a true high value woman, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below.